In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can replace quarter fenders on a Freightliner. It was a very easy process to do, and I will leave in the description the tools that I use to help me make this fix. All right, so one down and one more to go. You can see here over on this clamp, there's a bolt right under it. And there was a hex nut that was keeping that bolt up, but I already took that hex nut off. But you can also see that that tube clamp is still up there very tight, even without it. So even though I'm about to, as you'll see, I'm about to try to do the turn and twist thing off to try to get this off, it's still up there pretty tight. So instead, what you can do is grab a hammer, or you can grab a mallet and go ahead and try to hit that tube clamp off of the actual quarter fender, and that'll make things a lot easier for you. So I would suggest doing that instead. And you can see here, it took me a couple of hits to go ahead and get that tube clamp off, and then I'll go ahead hit that with the hammer as well to help get that off. And now I have gotten it off. That joint's ready to go in the trash. So right here, you can see I got my new quarter fender right at the bottom of it. And I'm going to just go ahead and grab this old tube clamp, take it off, and then get ready to put the new tube clamp on. So of course I got to take off the hex nut off that and make sure that I can get everything on. I didn't show that in the video, but I ended up hammering some of that rust off to make sure that it would be a lot easier to get this quarter fender back on. And as you can see, it went on pretty easy. That might not be something you have to do, but that was something I needed to do. So the next thing I want to do is go ahead and put this hex bolt and washer back on the clamp. And as I'm trying to do that, I'm also holding this camera, so it's kind of, it's kind of hard to hold and record at the same time that I'm trying to, line everything up. So, but I was able to get it done. So you can see right here, this is a 16 millimeter that I need to go ahead and tighten this hex nut up with. So I'm going ahead and hand tighten it, and then I'm going to go ahead and grab my impact drill.
Get to a decent spot.
And then go ahead and get this in the right place that I want it, and then I can go ahead and tighten it up. All right, so with that being said, I'm done as far as putting on the quarter fender. The last thing I want to do is go ahead and put on the flap that sits on top of it, and then I can go ahead and call it a day. And the last thing I need to do is just grab the flap and then go ahead and start putting my bolts with the washer on one side, and then put the washer with the hex nut on the other side, and then just tighten them up. You can see that I'm doing this for each hole. And as I get that done, once again, this is a very simple video, very simple process to do. There's no need for you to go out and pay somebody to do this when you can go ahead and use that money, buy some tools, and do this yourself, and probably still have some money to spare.
Biggest issue was getting the rust off so it could actually go up there. But hopefully y'all found this video useful. If you did, make sure to hit a like. And also let me know if y'all want to see more mechanic stuff on this channel. I was not expecting to do mechanic stuff on this channel. But, I mean, y'all want to see it. Y'all want to see me work on the truck, then I'll go ahead and do that. So, yeah, let me know. And thanks for watching.